Very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is heredity. Okay, now what is heredity? The process by which the features of an organisms are passed one from one generation to another is called heredity. The process is done by the genes which define the character in the organisms. Okay, class. Now this is Mendel introduction to this chapter. Mendel's work. George Johann Mendel, known as father of genetics, was an Australian monk. Was an Australian monk. Okay, class. Was an Australian monk. Worked on the pea plant. Understand the concept of heredity. He was led the foundation of modern genetics. Modern genetics. Okay. He made three basic laws of inheritance: the law of dominance, the law of segregation, the law of independent and assortment. Dominant traits. Now, next topic is dominant traits, the traits that express themselves. The traits that express themselves in an organism in every possible combinations and can be seen are called dominant traits. Bachcha party clear? Up to now clear? Now, in Mendel's experiment, we see that tall trait in a pea plant tends to express more than the short trait. Now, Bacha Party, you ask me a question. What is trait? What is a trait? Trait or character is same thing, okay? Now, recessive trait. Recessive trait. A trait which is not expressed in the presence of dominant, okay, allele is known as recessive. Is known as recessive. Now we move further to our next topic. Differentiate between inherited or acquired traits. Acquired traits, sorry. Now differentiate between. Okay, now firstly acquired traits. These are the traits which are developed by an individual due to the special conditions. They cannot be transferred to the polygeny. Now class, what is polygeny? Some students says that polygamy is a result, but it is not a result. It is the what is it? It is the offspring. We can say that polygamy is the offspring. Okay. Some student says that polygamy means result. It is not result in this situation. Okay, they cannot direct evolution. Okay, example low weight of starving beetles. Weight class. These are the traits which pass from one generation to the next. These they get transferred to the polygeny. Polygeny means new individual. Okay, they are helpful in the evolution. Example, color of eyes and the hairs. Up to now, bacha party, any problem? Now we move further. Variations. Now variations होती क्या variations? Variations in the biology and the difference between cells. Any between difference between cells, individual organisms or groups of an organisms of any species, caused either by genetic differences or genotype variations, or by the effect of the environmental factors on the expression of the genetic potential by the phenotypic variation. Now genotypic और phenotypic variation में आपको बाद में पढ़ा होगा. हमें अभी क्या पढ़ना है? वेरिएशंस. वेरिएशन होती क्या है? फर्स्टली वेरिएशन in biology, any difference between the cells, individual organisms, group of the organism of an species either be by genetic differences or by the effect of environmental factors on the expression on the genetic potentials. आप सबको पता है कि जैसे किसी के ब्लैक हेयर्स होते हैं, किसी के ब्राउन होते हैं, किसी के व्हाइट होता है. ये ना हमें क्या करता है, इंडिविजुअल ऑर्गेनिज्म को उनकी पहचान देते हैं, मतलब कि और ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म टू गेट, हम जैसे पहचानते हैं ना, कैसे पहचानते हैं, उनकी हाइट के बेसिस पे पहचानते हैं, वो लंबे हैं छोटे हैं, उनके कैसे हेयर्स, उनकी कैसी आईज है, वो सारी बातें किस में आ जाती है, वेरिएशंस में. नाउ दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ वेरिएशन. दिस इज गर्ल. द हाइट ऑफ गर्ल इज स्मॉल. The color is girl is white. Okay, we can see by the variations. Okay, for example, this is tall boy, this is fat lady, or this is small guy. Okay, now practice time. Now practice time. Color blindness is an linked recessive trait. Please comment in the live chat only. Please comment. Anybody know? Please comment. किसी को आता है इसका आंसर? Yes, right. Answer is, what is the answer? I will mark answer on the screen. Answer will be C, X chromosome. Okay. Now class, chromosome होते क्या है? Now I will tell you. This is, for example, this is cell. This is cell. Okay. You know that in cell there is a nucleus. In cell there is a nucleus. उसके अंदर एक thread like structure होते हैं. Thread like structure होते हैं. For example, this. थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, बहुत सारे होते हैं. उनके अंदर वेट क्लास, उनके अंदर ऐसी बॉडी होती है जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, डीएनए. इन क्रोमोसोम्स के अंदर एक बॉडी होती है जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, डीएनए कहते हैं. ओके. और डीएनए के अंदर क्या होते हैं, जीन्स होते हैं, राइट. अब जीन्स किसको कहेंगे हम? क्लास, एनीबॉडी नो इन दिस डायग्राम व्हाट इज जीन्स? व्हाट इज जीन? ओनली वन पार्ट ऑफ द, व्हाट इज दिस क्लास, व्हाट इज दिस? जो मैंने ये बनाया इसको क्या कहेंगे, डीएनए. हाँ, राइट. ये डीएनए जो एक जो पार्ट होता है डीएनए का, हम उसको क्या कहते हैं, जीन कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं हम उसे, जीन. ओके क्लास. नाउ वी मूव फर्दर. Okay, now our next question is, in most species mitochondrial DNA is passed down from which? DNA, mother and father, father or mother? Class, please give the answer. DNA, mother and father, father or mother? What is the answer, class? A, B. What is on Divya? Mother and father. Why? It is wrong. Please try again. Which is the answer, class? जल्दी बताओ. Answer will be mother. Right. Answer will be mother. Okay. Up to now, any problem? Please write in the comment section. Any problem, class? Variations. Okay. Some you have problem in variations. Okay, class. Wait for some second. Variations, right. वेरिएशंस होते क्या? फर्स्टली आप सबको पता है, किसी की आईज ब्लैक होती है या ब्राउन होती है, वो किसकी वजह से होते हैं? वेरिएशंस की वजह से होती है. ओके. नाउ वेरिएशंस होती क्या है? डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सेल्स ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स. अप टू नाउ क्लियर? दिस इज ऑल फॉर द डे. थैंक यू क्लास. ओके.